Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to share your ride with your friend or your trusted person. So basically how this works is that you have to register your friend or your contact in the Uber app. So basically you have to link it. So let's start the video. Click on the Uber app as usual, let it load and wait for it to load. So now this is loaded. This is the user interface where everything happens, where you can search for the ride, you can search for pickup and drop off option. Now from here you just need to click on this bottom right option which is called account. Now here you can basically see your profile, which includes wallet, help, trips, settings, messages. So from here you can access these all the things. If you need help, you can select on the help option. So basically now we're gonna select settings option. After selecting settings option, we can see the profile, the Gmail ID, the number. After this, we just need to click on this safety. Now this has two options, which is manage trusted contacts and second is right check. So you have to click on the first, manage trusted contacts. Now a new window will open. This will tell you share your trip status. You will be able to share your live location with one or more contacts during any Uber trip. Set your emergency contacts. So if you are in any problems, or if someone is doing something wrong, you can also set this as an emergency contact, which will be automatically alerted at the time of some issue. So just click on add trusted contact. Now here you need to choose from one of your contacts which you want to add, or you can add more than one. Basically add around 3 to 4. So for basics, I'm going to add just one number. This is A1. I'm going to select it. After selecting it, A1 was added. It's showing the basic necessity, the number, share trip reminder. So what we can do here is a good option. We can select from share trip reminder at night, 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. Before booking a ride. We can share this trip, or don't remind me, I'll share my trips manually. So I'm basically gonna select this, and call in case of emergency. Uber can call A1 if we can't reach you in an emergency. So basically this is for a family personal. If you get stuck somewhere or something bad happens, so if you want to on it, you can click on it and it will automatically call in case of emergency. So this is done. After this, when you will book a ride, basically in the Uber app, this will automatically show you this will automatically show you the option of sharing your Uber ride after you place the order. So this was it. This is how you can share your Uber ride details. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.